Hai, selamat pagi. Pagi ini aku lagi ada di Queen's Cliff. Aku mau pergi minum kopi. We want to drink coffee with my daughter. My daughter-in-law, yes, very beautiful. See, ini apa? Queen's Cliff ini heritage ya, jadi semua gedung-gedungnya gedung kuno, old building. Very beautiful. See, hari ini sepertinya udaranya dingin dan berkabut. We go there? Okay, it's very nice ya. Kita jalan kaki dari tempat yang kita sewa. Oh, such a beautiful. Ya. Yeah. Tokoan kecil tapi cakep. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Close? Ah, we can find another one. Kita hari ini jalan-jalan. See? This one's beautiful building. This is post office.
The post office, yeah.
I have tour guide now today. Beautiful tour guide. My daughter-in-law live in Queen's Cliff, so we can come again in summer, inshallah. Yeah.
Warmer.
I think summer is very beautiful, more beautiful. What is this building? Oh, local wine hotel. It's beautiful. Jalan-jalan pagi, mau minum kopi. Ini apa ini? See?
It's a chemist.
Ah, chemist. Everywhere have chemist, post office,
That's
very
right.
nice. Tuh, toko-tokonya tuh. Beach Bay. Winter sale. This is still closed. Ah, this one?
Yeah, in here.
Ah, I want to go hidden cafe. Beautiful. We come inside. Wow, smell good. Kafenya kayak kecil, dalamnya kayak lorong gitu. Kita masuk ke sini. Great cafe, hidden. And then here we are in the outdoor. It's beautiful. That's good to take me here. Oh, beautiful. This is outdoor cafe. Where we sit, we will sit. I think here, yeah?
Yeah, you're right down here, not too cold.
Huh?
You want to sit inside?
Here is okay.
It's nice,
Yeah,
yeah?
nice.
Yeah.
Tuh. Kafenya tersembunyi, jadi kita masuk kayak lorong. Terus di belakangnya besar. This is for the people breakfast, ya? And lunch also?
Yeah.
It look like nursery, ya?
Yeah, it is.
Ah, it is Nursery Cafe. Yeah. You can buy the, see? Kangaroo Paw, Kings Park Royal. Oh, this name is Kangaroo Paw. Toiletnya kayak di bush. Tuh. Semak-semak. What a beautiful cafe. I want vanilla cappuccino. Yeah. Wow, this is Nursery Cafe. Lucky I'm here. Danila, take me here. So cute. See, kita bisa duduk-duduk di sini nih kalau panas nih. Karena winter dingin, jadi kita duduknya di shade. Kita puterin ya. Hari ini ngopi di Nursery Cafe. Oh, udah jadi lewat belakang bisa. Beautiful. Tuh lihat burung-burung. Ngopi pagi kita di Queen's Cliff. Ini cafe recommended banget karena pohon-pohonnya kita bisa beli tuh. Cantik-cantik. Ih, apa nih cantik nih? Oke, aku mau sarapan dulu ya. Nanti kita lanjut lagi. Tuh, flower burst. Nice, beautiful. I always want to find the Nursery Cafe and find it.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I need a plant for my front door.
Oh yeah.
Nice plant.
We have this much in our backyard. You can take it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then easy to plant.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this place. Beautiful here.
Yeah. Beautiful cafe in Queen's Cliff. This is Nursery Cafe ya?
Yeah.
Thank you Daniela. Ini makanan khas di cafe ini nih. Apa? What is that? Portuguese. Oh, Portuguese. And this one the cinnamon. Kita mau order ini nih. Wah, small cafe, but
No,
thank you very much. That is my order cappuccino. Cafe is very cozy. Inside and outside is nursery. Beautiful cafe. See, the name is Yard 58. Kayak lorong gitu, tapi dalamnya keren. Kita sudah ngopi, sekarang kita mau keluar. Wah, sudah banyak orang. Wow, the weather is nice now. Now we walk over there? Walking?
Swan Bay, if you want to go this way.
Oh, Swan Bay, yeah. Okay. We want to walk to the Swan Bay beach. So we are walking from the Queen's Cliff area, and then now we go to, what is this? Swan Bay.
Swan Bay, yeah.
Swan Bay. Oh my god, beautiful. There is a sunny but very cold.
It's your house that you're staying in.
Really?
Yeah.
So close?
Yeah.
Oh. So in our backyard ya?
Yeah.
Oh ini belakang rumahku. Belakangnya laut, bro.
So there's a train station.
Oh, this is the train station. Very nice. Go to
Drysdale.
Drysdale is like a beach also?
Yeah, like a very little town. Small. You can see the train. It's a steam train.
Yeah, is it the old train ya?
Yeah.
Steam train?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Mau jalan trennya? See, the old train. Ini tren model lama pakai steam. Tuh. Mau jalan. Oke. Swan Bay area. We go there by kayak. Oh. Hai, kita lagi berada di Swan Bay, Melbourne, Victoria. Enjoy my video. Such a beautiful Swan Bay. Tuh ada pelikan dan burung-burung.
Pelicans. Yeah.
The pelicans is very beautiful. Take it up. Itu di sana seperti it is island ya. It's island, itu di sana ada kepulauan. Ini untuk orang members, jadi ada bridge di sini untuk menuju ke sana untuk bermain golf. Keren. Oke, Daniela, thank you. Thank you for today. Beautiful. Let's go walk again. Go there. Wow, hari ini kita jalan-jalannya jauh dan menyenangkan. Very happy. Tuh, ada pohon di sini. Kita jalan lagi. Tuh dia bridge-nya. Oh, ini kapal sedang bersandar. This is the boat is a fishing boat. Oh, this is ini kapal nelayan sedang bersandar. Wow, such a beautiful. Ini daerah nelayan ya, jadi rumah-rumahnya semua rumah nelayan. Ini heritage, jadi nggak bisa dibangun. Tuh. Wow, very nice. Yeah, beautiful. And the sun also beautiful,
that's
yeah.
Right, yeah. I say to the boys, it looks like diamonds.
Oh, very nice, yeah. Hi.
Down this street is where my parents have their beach house.
Oh, yeah. I remember.
You remember? You've
Yeah, I
come
go
before.
to, yeah.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh,
And then we eat in the restaurant there.
That's right.
Yeah, in the Queen's Cliff Beach, yeah. This is big, yeah,
Yeah.
very big. Ini kapal gede nih, kapal nelayan. Oke, thank you for watching. Segini dulu jalan-jalannya kita ya di Swan Bay, Victoria, Australia. See, ini Swan Bay itu connecting sama Queen Cliff Beach. Terus ada lagi Point Lonsdale ya. Point Lonsdale also beautiful. I love this boat. It's old.
That's the
Yeah.
I think for calamari.
Oh, is it special for calamari? Okay, we go. We see.
So all the lights.
Ini adalah perahu khusus untuk menangkap calamari. Calamari itu adalah cumi. In Indonesia, name cumi.
Oh, okay.
Cumi-cumi. Oh, that's why we use this one, yeah?
Yeah, with the lights.
With the light. See? Yeah. Special boat for the calamari. Wow, very interesting.
Big lights.
Very big boat. Ini kapal nelayan di Australia. Wow.
boat. They
Yes.
sell fresh fish.
Oh, fresh fish. Okay. Oh, very nice. That's why the fish and chip you buy is very nice, tasty, yeah? Because of the fresh fish. Wow, I want to make picture here. Daniela, can you make video? This boat, ini kapal untuk dia menjual fresh fish ya, ikan yang segar hasil pancing setiap harinya. Jadi fish and chip di sini terbuat dari ikan yang baru ditangkap. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, fresh seafood. It's cheap.
That's the ferry.
Oh, there is a big ferry. Ada ferry mau bersandar. Wow, come on, we get the ferry.
Next time you
Where?
come, we will. We get the ferry. We go to Sorrento.
Oh, Sorrento Beach. Oh my. Kapal sedang bersandar. Ini kapal nelayan kecil. Yang tadi kapal yang besar dan untuk menangkap cumi spesial. Jalan-jalan hari ini dengan Danila, my beautiful girl. She is my travel guide today. Yeah, we go around 1 hour walking from the Queenscliff coffee shop, and then down to the Swan Bay, and now we're going to Queenscliff Beach. Wow, thank you, Danila. Unforgettable moment. Walking. We walk. Ini kapalnya lagi dibersihin. The boat is showering now. Cleaning. So beautiful.
These boats here, when the big
This one?
when the big ships come,
Yeah.
they take the captain
Oh.
out to the boat and they
Yes.
swap the
Ah, this is
captain.
for the pilot.
Pilot,
Oh,
yeah.
ini kapal untuk pilot, untuk khusus kalau ada kapal besar. Ini untuk pick up the pilot and drop the pilot. Yeah?
Yeah.
Daniela, oh, special pilot here. Kapal spesial untuk pilot.